Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with the coupon insert preview video for the inserts that will come out on April 14th of 2019. So yeah, I have a question for you all. Do you all even enjoy these videos? Because I do notice they don't get a ton of views, but if you enjoy them, please let me know. I never really know if people really want to see these or not, but you know, yeah, just let me know in the description, or in the comments, I mean. So yeah, let's just dive right in, and I will point out any deals, and as always, thank you to Clip to Save for posting this. I always appreciate them doing that. Okay, we have Gain. I will not get those. Haven't got Gain coupons in months. Oh, Tide, Simply. Tide antibacterial spray. $2 on Dove Men Plus Care Foaming Body Wash. Wish we were getting Axe, because those Ibottas really will make that a deal. More Dove. More Dove. Hellman's. This is on a sale at Kroger for $2.50. We do have some rebates for this, so it'd actually be a really great deal. Can't believe it's not butter. $1 on Mally Mustard. I know Amy Stotts found these at her store for like $1, so that's a really great deal. $4 on Love Beauty and Planet. $1 on Love Beauty and Planet Liquid Hand Wash. $3 on Love Home and Planet. $1.50 on Love Beauty and Planet product. $4 on any 2 Tresemme Pro Collection shampoo or conditioner. 75 cents on Aqua Fresh. $1 on Aqua Fresh Extreme Clean. Starburst Fruit Chews. Shea Moisture. $1 on Kibbles and Bits. $1 on Homemade Simple Liquid Detergent. I've never seen this. How much is this? I've never seen this before. $1 on Adult Benadryl. $4 on Adult Zyrtec. $10 on this Rhinocort and Adult Zyrtec. Gray Away and what the IWI? I've never heard of that. Is it a vitamin? $2 on Solana Pause, non-patch items. Okay, a 9-count patch. $2 on all Solana Pause patch, except for 1 and 2 counts. Fungi Cure. Don't we have a saving star? I don't know. That's it for Retail Me Not. That was a small one, but the Smart Source has quite a bit in it, so. Okay, this is bugging me. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Here's some Bic coupons. I know Walgreens has a big sale on these. Buy one, get one half off. So that could be a really good deal. Sorry, my windows are open. I'm sure you're hearing the sirens going by. $2 on any Bic disposable razor pack. This will be an awesome deal with Walgreens on Sunday. Probably gonna do it. If there's time, I will do it. I would like to. I really would like to. Depends on who's working at the Walgreens, because, like I said, I found out that the angry manager still works there, so I have to be very careful about when I go, because I don't want to run into her. Lysol. Okay, Scott coupons. Cottonelle wipes. That's a good one. I always love that coupon. Kleenex. Viva. Colgate. Always good to have the Colgate coupons, but be very careful which one you grab. Like, this is Colgate Total SF. It has to be the advanced. It can't just be the regular Colgate Total. It has to be the advanced. So always read through that. That was a big issue last time. Colgate. More Colgate. Downy. Blue Diamond items. Pillsbury products and Werther's caramels. That's a good one. Caribou K-Cup pods. BOGO Java House. There's some good ones here. I definitely would pick up. I'll be buying the papers this week. I don't really like to skip paper, buying the papers, but some weeks it's not worth it. Okay, what are these? Good Thins or Triscuits Wheatberry? What the world is Wheatberry Triscuits? Sargento, and then some gravies. Keep in mind, a lot of this stuff will be for the Easter holiday. Splenda. We get Splenda ones constantly anymore. Biore. Energizer. Haven't had a good Energizer coupon. We need a deal on batteries. Windex. Kotex. Oh, that's a high value. Very high value, actually. Those, I believe, are on mega sale. That'd make them $1, but that's not my stockout price. Eucerin. Highly doubt I'll get those, but we'll see. Aquifer. CoverGirl. Those come out every week too, it feels like. Nivea. Those are very hit or miss. Sometimes we get them and sometimes we don't. That was those Niveas were on clearance at Kroger. The in shower or it was the mousse body wash thing. Yeah, I wish that was on sale again. Okay, $1 on Busy brand dog treats. $1 on Sally Hansen Color Therapy. $1 on Sally Hansen's Airbrush Legs product. Refresh coupons. Sinex, Miralax, Nasacort, Allegra. More Allegra, Clarity. I'm sorry for going fast, but a lot of these are like, you can always pause it and read it more in depth. Claritin. That is one. This is going to sound awful because if you use Claritin, you're not going to agree. But I get so incredibly sick of cutting out Claritin every single week. It gets wearing. It just does, sitting and cutting them out like that and putting them in my binder. And they always expire so quick, so I have to pull them back out a couple weeks later. Clairol. Coupons. Zysol. Magna Life, and that is it for this inserts. So those will come on Sunday. Thank you to Clip to Save. If you want to buy these online, you can get them from Clip to Save. Really, really appreciate them always posting this preview. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.